Hi, everybody. It's Rick Markson here, along with my partner, Brett Axelrod. And we had a chance to meet you face-to-face in person at the Parker Seminar in New Jersey, and we just wanted to quickly follow up with you after that.
So, we're excited to speak with you. We had some great stuff. I'm part of the New York Chiropractic Council, which many of you are members as well. We did a whole joint venture with Parker. It was a great weekend. So we want to tell you a little bit about who we are and how you might be interested in what we have to offer. So one of the things that makes us different from all the other coaching companies is, we do a lot of personal coaching as well as professional coaching. In fact, Rick, what I love what we do is we've introduced this concept, the 4 pillars of our coaching program. So we talk about headspace, we talk about chiropractic philosophy, we talk about systems, procedures, and we also talk about marketing. And what we've noticed of all the people that we're coaching using these 4 pillars, people are just knocking it out of the park, having successful careers, hitting records left and right, because we've implemented all 4 pillars, which every one is so important. And I think, it really starts with headspace, which drives the engine. But then we've also noticed people who get a lot of certainty about, chiropractic philosophy makes a big difference. Nailing down their systems and procedures, so important. We say that, really that people run your systems and the systems run your practice, which is so key. And then making sure your marketing is set up well in advance for the year so you can attract all the things that you want, especially your ideal new patients, the number of new patients, and that's really how you build a big practice. So why don't you tell them a little bit about, your dad is Larry Markson. He spoke there. It was tremendous. And then let's talk a little bit about our big event coming up in February.
Well, obviously, everybody at the general session at Parker got to hear Larry speak. He did 2 hours and just absolutely knocked it out of the park. Most of you probably heard Larry before. Some of you it was your first time. And then you had an opportunity to come to our booth and get a copy of Larry's book, Talking to Yourself is Not Crazy. We hope you're already devouring that, sharing it with your staff, sharing it with your team members, utilizing it in your practice, utilizing the weekend as sort of a springboard to get you back into practice. The interesting thing is that this is really a time of uncertainty for a lot of chiropractors, but the members of the Markson Connection are breaking records all over the place. Statistically speaking, 83% of our members break some sort of all-time record within the first 12 months of joining the Connection. So we know our methods of the 4 pillars is working beautifully because of the one-on-one face-to-face coaching, utilizing uvu, just like you see here. Our 3 events, one of which we'll tell you about in a moment, our interactive masterminds. There's so many different procedures and things that we utilize to help our members get their success, and we look forward to sharing every single one of them for you. But what we'd like to do is really highlight our next upcoming event, which is going to be right almost here in my backyard in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And the date on that is February 6th, 7th, and 8th in 2014. So, Brett, why don't you just highlight what the event is about?
Well, again, the theme of the weekend is what we call creating your colossal chiropractic culture. And I think that's so important to create a winning culture in your practice, because if you look at all the top businesses, all the ones that have succeeded for years and years and years, who have been profitable, doing great, where their team is happy and fulfilled, it's about creating this culture. And I think in chiropractic, we don't really have a culture. People don't know how to do that. And the thing that I see is missing the most is this visionary leadership in the practice. We say your practice is waiting for its leader to show up, and that's got to be you, to do that. So we want to teach people how to become a bigger visionary, a more effective leader, put those things together. So part of what we're going to be doing is, obviously, we always do the chiropractic thing for sure, because it's so important, right? But we're also going to be bringing some business into this as well to create this culture that's never really been seen before in an office. Now, I know the person we're bringing in, I'm going to let you actually introduce the guest, because you got him from a friend of yours that does really well in business. So why don't you introduce the guest, and then we can have a short discussion about that, because I think it's really cool and different.
Well, like you said, with leadership, you typically talk to chiropractors about leadership, and they read a couple of John Maxwell books, and they think they're off and running. And you can't just read it off the page and expect to know what to do. And that's where we come in. It's about bridging the gap. So what we're doing is we're bringing in a couple of true entrepreneurs, people who own multi-million dollar businesses, and they're absolutely willing to break down exactly how they've created their corporate culture, the systems, the procedures, the methods that they've used, following to detailed statistical analysis, team building, management levels of making sure that you have everyone properly on your team. They are fully onboarded properly, when to hire, when to fire, when to train, when to coach, and all within the framework of creating a culture. For instance, all of us are enamored with the Disney experience. Disney created a culture. The Google experience. Google created a culture. Now probably Apple is the number one company that everyone's so enamored with. When you walk into the Apple store, you just shake your head in amazement. But no one from a chiropractic standpoint has ever broken it down until now. So we're talking about creating a colossal chiropractic culture so you don't just show up, see a couple of patients, hope you get a couple of new ones, and leave at the end of the day. We're talking about leaving a legacy, leaving something bigger than yourself, and creating the overall framework that gets you not only more successful in practice, but having a great time doing it.
And we want to be clear that even though it's from a business point of view and someone who's not a chiropractor teaching these ideas, we are absolutely going to translate it into chiropractic in your practice, because the concepts are the concepts, successful ideas, thinking the right way, and then applying these things. There's a methodology to do that. And it doesn't matter what kind of business you're in, but we're absolutely going to translate it into the chiropractic success part of this, and watch what happens come Monday. People's practices are going to absolutely just jump off the page. It's crazy. So that's what I love about it.
Right. Our two speakers, one of them has worked with chiropractors for years from the coaching side and the management side, and the other has a chiropractor in the family. So we always keep it inside the family.
Right. So that's what I love about it. So, and we always have some surprises planned. We have some other things happening that you're going to just absolutely love. We don't even tell our own members until they're there, because we want it to be terrific. We want it to be fun and energetic, and we want people to learn. And most importantly, we want people to be able to take these concepts, make it real for you, and absolutely apply it come Monday morning so you can take off running and with your team as well. I think that's key.
Right. So here we are. It's February 6th, 7th, and 8th. It's Thursday evening, Friday all day, and then Saturday till noon, so you can get home. Definitely you will be able to get to the airport and get home by Saturday night so you can spend Sunday with your family. The fee is very, very simple. It's $4.95 to come as a guest. That includes everything from the seminar, all the meals, everything, all the handouts, the full participation. The only other expense you will have is your airfare and your hotel room. But all the meals and everything else are included, transportation to any of the secret venues that Brett was just telling you about, which I'll dangle the carrot that I'm not going to reveal. And we would love to have you there. It's a great way for you to come, check us out, see if the Marketing Connection is for you. All you have to do is go to themarketingconnection.com, click on the seminars page. There's a registration form there. One of us will get back to you immediately. We'd love to welcome you. Just see if it fits. You get to play full out. We promise you that it'll never be a waste of time. You will learn so much in one weekend. It'll be worth it. And if being a member of the Marketing Connection is something for you, great. And if not, that's okay too. Just come and play full out. See what we have to offer February 6th, 7th, and 8th. We look forward to seeing you there or answering any of your questions. All you have to do is go to the website. You can find us any way you want.
And by the way, if you want to speak to me personally, you can call, even give me my cell phone at 914-589-5697. Again, 914-589-5697. If you want to speak to Rick personally, Rick, give me your cell number.
Sure, 305-785-1512. And Brett and I will always say this, as we told you from the booth, while we're giving out books and shaking hands with you and meeting you over the weekend at Parker, we are committed to helping chiropractors live the life and practice of their dreams. It does not matter if you're a member of ours. You can absolutely contact us. Not anything we wouldn't do to help a chiropractor be healthy and have as much fun in practice as they want.
No doubt. Awesome.
So we look forward to hearing from you and seeing you there. Brett and Rick signing off. We'll see you in February.